Hello everyone and welcome to the video tutorial on how you can sort out data inside MS Excel. I'm Sabine from Create, Login and Delete, and without further ado, let's jump into our topic. If you have more and hectic data, then sorting the data will help you out to rearrange things alphabetically or numerically. So in order to sort out the data, what you can simply do is click on the column right here. Suppose I want to sort my name column right here in alphabetical order. Click on the name column, go to sort and filter, click on sort A to Z or Z to A if you want it opposite. Click on it and you can see that all of these data have been sorted in alphabetical order from A to Z. When we select one column, Excel also rearranges other column as per the corresponding column. So you can see that the data right here in the numbers and size have been changed as well according to the corresponding data when the name column was arranged in alphabetical order from A to Z. You can also use the custom sort feature where you can add your feature in order to sort out the items. For example, let's say that I want to sort out this column on the basis of the size right here. Now what you can simply do is go to sort and filter, go to custom sort, click on size, and from here you can find out the custom list option right here. Click on it, and after you do that, click on list entries, and you can add small, comma, large, medium, comma, large. So after you're done with it, just click on add and click on OK. And here you can see that your data has been arranged or sorted out as per the preference that you had chosen in custom list. You can also choose the priority of the list that you want to sort out first. For example, go to custom sort again. Here, size is being sorted out first. You can click on add label here. Then you can simply click on numbers. After you click on numbers, click on OK. And only after the size have been sorted out, the numbers will be sorted out again. So that's it for today. Those were some basics on how you can sort out data in Microsoft Excel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.